and on track. Those who were with us last night would have seen that incident in turn number 1 and 2. He was 3/4 of a lap from victory in his opening heat race of the evening. That was after going quick in his earlier flight in time trials, leading the heat race, putting himself in a very good position. The left rear tyre exploded, put him in hospital essentially. What it felt like to him was a burn on the left wrist. Sustained some injuries, the car was damaged, and that eliminated him from the Grand Annual Sprint Car Classic. Those of you that are in early enough, 4:30 p.m, how about putting your hands together for the outgoing Grand Annual Sprint Car Classic champion, Cory Mccullagh? Got to watch lifting up that trophy. Cause it this way, mate. What a ride. What a 12 months. What a racer. Come on up. That is insane. And just like that, he's in. G'day everybody.